Good morning, vloggers, and today we're off to Duke's Bodyworks to get the last bit of the car picked up that was replaced from the car accident back in December. There was missing one little door badge, so now we're off to pick that up. We'll pop into Kmart to see if they've got another one of those little brackets to attach my phone to the windscreen, and then we'll come home and do some cut and polishing. So, let's go. So yep, just dropped into to Duke's Bodyworks in Cranbourne. These guys are the best for the for getting your car fixed for insurance. So now that we've picked up that part that they fixed up on my car, let's drop into Cranbourne Shopping Centre and see if they've got the phone mount. Let's go. So I've just dropped into Kmart. Kmart have the tripod stand a hell of a lot cheaper than Big W. So I'm now going to grab this one, $8. So let's go attach it to the windscreen. Alright, so we've just been to check out a few things at Cranbourne Shopping Centre. So I've quickly just grabbed a bracket for my phone, so now it's attached to the windscreen. But we're going to drop this car home and we're going to take the other one into Dandenong. Try and get a prop and prop protectors for my Kaiser Bass drone, just in case I try and take my own fingers off with it. So let's go. Whoa, what a hot day. Okay, so we're off to Dandenong to check out a few prices on some drone bits, and then back here, back home. Let's go for a drive. So I just dropped into JB Hi-Fi at Dandenong Plaza just to quickly grab some props and prop protectors for my Delta drone so it doesn't actually chop my fingers off. Grab those. Now I'm on my way to Tyre Highway. I want to find out how much it is to get one of my tyres looked at, and we'll go from there. So let's go down to Highway Tyres. So I just popped into my favourite tyre place, Highway Tyres in Dandenong. Just to find out how much the Goodyear Wrangler tyres are going to cost me to get 2 of them replaced, and they're $2.95 each. It's a pretty good price, and that's also fitted and balanced, so that I'll have another full set of off-road tyres. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go down and have a look at what used to be General Motors train station, which is just down here behind the new CFA headquarters, I think it is, the old General Motors site. So let's have a look. Hi, what flavoured frozen drinks do you have at the moment?
Grape, pink and raspberry.
Can I get a grape? Can I get 2 grapes, please?
Yep, alright, sure.
Thank you. I ran out. Got to get some more. Thank you very much. Now to get this into this. But we can do that in a couple of minutes. Now let's continue going on to where we're going to fly the drone today. Alright, so I've made it down to as closest to the old General Motors train station as I possibly can via car. As you can see behind me, road's closed. Although it looks like it still continues all the way around, just they haven't finished putting in the guttering. So what I'm going to do is we'll take the drone up from here.
So I'm now telling it to come home. We'll see how it travels. Auto landing sequence has been initiated. Perfect landing sequence. Alright, let's go back and see what kind of footage we got of the old General Motors station. And until next time, like, comment, and subscribe.